Holly McKhann here with one of my recent clients that just sold a home with me, and we bought this home and she's already destroyed it. Now we're referred her to a contractor to help her get it renovated to her liking and taste. This is Lisette, and I wanted her to just share with you guys what it was like, what her experience was like working with me on the sale and purchase of her homes.
Well, it's not the first time I've used Holly. It's like I used her to sell and purchase another home. And if it wasn't for Holly, first of all, we would have never gotten the other home that I just now sold and made enough money on to buy this home and renovate it. And her contractors are amazing. They're doing a great job. And this escrow on this house would have never closed if it wasn't for Holly. It was the most difficult escrow, not because of her.
It was tricky, that's
It
for
was
sure.
a tricky escrow, but she made it go smoothly, and everything went like clockwork, and everything closed on time. Everything was on time, and now this house is destroyed. So we're going to put it all back together, and she's going to tell me how to do it. So
so yeah, onward to the next one, and make sure you stay tuned because we'll probably do a video when it's all done.
Yeah, when it's all done, you'll see it.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for your business and your trust, Lisette.
Thank you. Here's a hug.
Oh.